Good news, Eskom hasn't had load shedding for 100 days, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows for the other electricity providers. So imagine this horror, this daylight ripoff. City Power, since from the 1st July 2024, has been charging prepaid customers a surcharge of 200 rands on top of an increase in prices generally of nearly 13%. Imagine you buy electricity and they still charge you 200 a month. For what? I don't know. And this story is kind of funny because people who were using City Power for all these years have been bragging, telling us that we are using Eskom, we are having load shedding. City Power is a private company. Private companies get to do these kind of things so they can charge you as much as they want. Eskom at least is partly